Number 1. Sony AirPeak Drone 2/2. Sony AirPeak is a new drone that was announced by Sony in early 2021. The AirPeak drone is designed for professional photographers and videographers who require high-quality aerial footage for their work. The drone is equipped with a high-performance camera and gimbal system that is capable of capturing high-resolution images and videos. One of the most notable features of the AirPeak drone is its compact size and lightweight design. It is designed to be highly portable, making it easy to transport to remote locations for filming. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2. The DJI Mavic 2 drone is a high-end consumer drone that is designed for aerial photography and videography. It is the successor to the popular DJI Mavic Pro and comes in two variants, the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Pro features a 1-inch CMOS sensor Hasselblad camera, capable of capturing 20-megapixel photos and 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which provides smooth and stable footage. The Mavic 2 Zoom, on the other hand, features a 12-megapixel camera with a 2x optical zoom and 4x digital zoom. Both models feature DJI's advanced obstacle avoidance technology, which uses multiple sensors to detect obstacles in their path and avoid collisions. The drones also have a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes and a maximum range of up to 8 kilometers. In addition to the advanced camera and obstacle avoidance features, the Mavic 2 also comes with a number of intelligent flight modes, including active track, which allows the drone to automatically follow a subject, and hyperlapse, which allows for the creation of stunning time-lapse videos. Overall, the DJI Mavic 2 drone is a top-of-the-line drone that is ideal for professional photographers and videographers who want to capture high-quality aerial footage. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini. The DJI Mavic Mini is a compact and lightweight drone designed for beginners and hobbyists who are looking for a drone that is easy to fly and can capture high-quality aerial footage. Here are some key features and specifications of the DJI Mavic Mini. Size and weight. The DJI Mavic Mini is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs only 249 grams, which makes it one of the lightest drones on the market. Camera. The drone comes with a 12-megapixel camera that can shoot 2.7K video at 30 frames per second. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that provides stabilization and allows for smooth footage. Flight time. The Mavic Mini has a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, which is impressive for a drone of its size. Range. The drone has a maximum range of 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, and can reach a maximum altitude of 120 meters, 400 feet, above the ground. Control. The Mavic Mini can be controlled using the DJI Fly app on your smartphone or with the remote controller that comes with the drone. The app provides a live view from the camera and allows you to control the drone's movements and camera settings. Safety features. The Mavic Mini comes with several safety features, including GPS-based geofencing, which prevents the drone from flying in restricted areas such as airports and government buildings, and return to home, which automatically brings the drone back to its takeoff point if it loses connection or runs out of battery. Overall, the DJI Mavic Mini is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a compact and easy-to-use drone that can capture high-quality aerial footage. It is also a great option for those who want to avoid the registration requirements that come with owning a larger drone. Number 4. Xpeng X2. The Xpeng X2 flying car is a futuristic vehicle that is designed to revolutionize transportation. This innovative car is the brainchild of the Chinese automaker Xpeng Motors, which is known for its electric vehicles. The Xpeng X2 is an electric vehicle that can transform into a flying car with the push of a button, allowing passengers to soar above traffic and reach their destination in a fraction of the time. The Xpeng X2 flying car is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to take off and land vertically, making it an ideal choice for urban areas where space is limited. The car is powered by 4 electric motors and is capable of flying at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. It can reach a top speed of 130 km per hour in flight mode and has a range of up to 600 km. In addition to its impressive flying capabilities, the Xpeng X2 is also a highly advanced car. It features a sleek and futuristic design that is sure to turn heads on the road. The car is equipped with a range of features, including a panoramic sunroof, a touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance systems. The Xpeng X2 flying car is still in the prototype phase, and it is not yet available for purchase. However, Xpeng Motors is working hard to bring this exciting new vehicle to market as soon as possible. The company has already completed a successful test flight of the X2, and it is expected to begin production in the near future. Overall, the Xpeng X2 flying car is an innovative and exciting vehicle that has the potential to revolutionize transportation. With its impressive flying capabilities and advanced technology, it is sure to capture the imagination of people all over the world. Number 5. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a small and lightweight drone that is designed for aerial photography and videography. Here are some of its key features. Compact and portable design, weighing in at just 249 grams, the DJI Mini 2 is one of the smallest and lightest drones on the market, making it easy to transport and fly anywhere. High-quality camera. The drone is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera that can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The camera also features a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, which helps to capture smooth and stable footage. Intelligent features. The DJI Mini 2 is packed with intelligent features, including GPS positioning, automatic takeoff and landing, and obstacle avoidance technology. Long battery life. The drone has a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, which is longer than many other drones in its class. Remote control. The DJI Mini 2 comes with a remote control that has a range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to control the drone from a safe distance. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 is an excellent drone for beginners and professionals alike, offering high-quality features in a small and affordable package. The Mini 2 features a 2250 mAh battery that can provide up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This is a significant improvement over its predecessor, the DJI Mavic Mini, which had a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. However, it's important to note that the actual flight time you get will depend on several factors, such as weather conditions, flying speed, and the use of features like the camera and GPS. To maximize the battery life of your DJI Mini 2, there are a few things you can do. First, make sure that you fully charge the battery before each flight. Number 6. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-end drone designed for professional aerial photography and videography. It is the latest model in DJI's Mavic series, and it comes with several improvements over its predecessor, the Mavic 2. Some of the key features of the DJI Mavic 3 include: Camera. The Mavic 3 comes with a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor that can shoot 20-megapixel stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It also supports 10-bit color and can capture raw images. Flight time. The Mavic 3 has a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, which is significantly longer than the Mavic 2's 31 minutes. This extended flight time allows you to capture more footage in a single flight. Range. The Mavic 3 has a range of up to 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, which is also an improvement over the Mavic 2's 8 kilometers range. This extended range allows you to fly the drone farther and explore new areas. Obstacle avoidance. The Mavic 3 has a sophisticated obstacle avoidance system that uses sensors on all sides of the drone to detect and avoid obstacles. This makes it safer and easier to fly in complex environments. Intelligent features. The Mavic 3 comes with several intelligent features, including Active Track 5.0, which can track and follow subjects with greater precision, and Smart Photo, which uses advanced algorithms to automatically capture the best shots. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 is a top-of-the-line drone that offers excellent performance, advanced features, and high-quality footage. It is a great choice for professional photographers and videographers who demand the best.